My name is Clarke and I'm doing professional cookery level 2. Some of the things I do on the course is I bake now and again in some of my assignments, my practical work I do. We also do the savoury side, so the steak pies, fish. The experience in this college is a good thing to do because it helps you pick up speed and ability to cook in the kitchen, and you understand how to work in a kitchen and work as a team in the kitchen could possibly help you in the future industry. The Chefs Forum, pretty much the college brings in highly leveled chefs to come in and teach us a few things on our assignments. But I think the Chefs Forum is a good way to develop students' capabilities of working in a kitchen. Moral's restaurant is run by members of the students and the staff. The staff train the students. It's open to the member public, so the public can have a nice meal. It also builds your social confidence as well around people. I would recommend other students come into this college because you gain obviously lots of friends, you have a bigger social group. Obviously you learn a lot as well, that's the main thing. The teachers are really nice, you develop different capabilities and abilities.